special delivery. I'm getting my exhaust, so I'm getting this bypass thing that basically keeps your valves open so they don't open and close. So I have like a little squeaking noise in them when they open and close. So I'm gonna get rid of that and just make it just be, you know, loud all the time. In auto mode, eco mode, shit gonna be loud. It's from C Automotive, by the way. It's the inactive exhaust kit or whatever is what it looks like. C Automotive. So yeah, let's put this thing on. Okay, go ahead. So after you're done, if anyone wants to do this, this is what it should look like. You got the cap right here, just so it doesn't get any dirt in there. And then I have the thing zip tied up there, zip tied right here. And this is that piece. It plugs into the piece that's already connected in here. It's already connected in here, connects to that. Same thing on the other side. It's just gonna be a smaller piece. It's like a blank. And this is like the actuator for it. I don't know, something like that. But yeah. Damn. Tired of being under there. Okay, let's get a cold start. It's open, isn't it? Okay, yes. I literally just missed the little startup for y'all. My bad. But SRT, I'm just gonna leave it in auto mode and see if it is working. No check engine lights so far. Looking pretty good right now, folks. Looking pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna take it. Seatbelt. Safety first. Safety first. Safety first, brother. Okay. Might look a little ratchet. My fault, y'all. I'm all sweaty as hell. Probably really dirty too. But anyways, yeah, so we did a little startup, as y'all probably seen. It sounded really good. Sounds like it's all opened up. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it in auto mode here. Leave it in auto. So we're in street mode, everything. Oh my God. Yeah, it's open for sure. Oh my God, dude. This shit is clapped the fuck out, bro. No, this is crazy, dude. It's so loud. Now it's just like, this is an auto. That's great. I know he heard that shit, bro. That shit was so loud. Damn. All right, we gonna park her now. We gotta chill. Sorry, we gotta chill. All right, chat, we back in the cut. It's the next day. Yesterday I got them exhaust done, so I'm gonna give y'all pretty much a day after cold start. Let's see what it sounds like. Major difference, bro. Major difference. What up, Jet? On the SRT bike?
My ride next to your ride. That's probably tougher. Found some mongoose, bro.
Type shit. Bro, I was literally sitting in here for like 5 minutes just yapping while vlogging, so he said nice. Dude, I love how that blue looks, bro. If I can get everything that blue, that'd be nice. I'm pretty sure that blue matches that blue. Like, it's spot on together, I'm pretty sure. These are darker. This is pretty light too, though. That almost matches that too.
What about the pedals? Then this.
Yeah, those are both kind of dark.
Do I gotta red this B?
Oh yeah, we could do that actually. Yeah. Yeah, that thing is definitely a lot louder. Open up the valves, they're just open now, so we're good. Hit it harder. Chatter. I want to drive, bro, but there's like no reason to. I ain't got nowhere to go today, guys. So, where's Cameron, bro? Is he here? Why didn't I record that, bro? But no, I haven't seen him all day, bro. He in there slumped out or something.
Seen him at school, then he just disappeared. Then I dropped a diss track on him because he's a
Yeah, these two are always fighting, bro.
Take big on silver
That's what we like to hear, chat. That's what we like to hear right there.
Bro, that thing I was right by the right exhaust and I felt the heat.
Oh, you better relax for you eat it, bro. Dude, this headlight over here is like got condensation inside, bro. I've never seen it do that. See?
Oh, what?
Like, brother.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. All right, when you get an RT, bro, or a scat or whatever
Got him. We fucking got him.
you're gonna get, what color are you thinking, bro?
Yeah. I don't know. Red, probably.
Red? All right, tight shit. It's for red.
Blue.
B5 blue, yeah.
Or some red. That red scat was in your
Nah, that red is... That's why I'm debating, bro, that if I want to get the Hellcat, that red or the B5 blue.
Yeah.
But, I don't know. I want to wrap it in my blanket thing, though. In my blanket, what do you call that? Fucking design. I don't know, dude. Dude, that truck is so dirty, dude. Do we have a hose, bro? I need to hose that thing down. That thing needs rinsed off, bro. Do we have a hose head on it?
Yeah, there's like a... Thingy. My bobber.
Bobber. Nice. I know exactly what that means. Dude, we still have this goal here?
Yeah. See, there's like one of these things.
Oh,
You
shit.
twist it and the pressure goes up.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Like, yeah.
Oh. Well, I'll be.
Yeah, it's lit. Go turn that on.
You turning it on?
Oh. You're not using it?
I mean, I probably need to bring it over here. Should I bring it right here?
I don't know. What are you bringing over here? The truck?
The truck, yeah. I
Yeah,
literally need to rinse it.
Roll this.
Oh, I'll...
No.
No,
It won't go that far.
yeah.
Uh.